Okay, go.
Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Shane at Garvey Volkswagen. Just wanted to show you one of the cool new features of the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. It is the ambient lighting feature. We get lighting all through the floor, side of the doors, and underneath, not to mention up in our digital dashboard. The beauty of this is you get 10 different colors you could choose from, so whatever mood you're in, you can customize the vehicle and you can fool around with it and change it to your liking. Just to show you how it's done, first off, we end up hitting, and we'll start from the beginning. We'll hit the car, go to settings, we'll come to the ambient lighting. Right now we're on the regular white. You can change it. You have over 10 different colors to choose from. As you can see here with the red, nice and bright, up in the dash, right underneath, down in the glove box compartment, and then right underneath also on the doors. More colors. We've got hot pink, we've got blue, yellow, green, orange. You think of it. Customizable. The new 2019 Jetta. This is on the SEL and higher. So stop on down, come take a look at it, and come on in for a test drive. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.